kakati wetagezaako the regular schools nga tulaba tugendayo naye we are not benefiting a lot apart from interaction skills ezo kudduka biki but nga tulaba like he's nga tetulaba like he will not sit the examinations kati netugendako emulago netulaba some child psychiatrists psychologists natubulira she's the one who told us the truth natugamba autism ekyetagisa is to look for a skill abantu bano babeera ne skill ate skill ezo zibatuusiza wala natuwa example Bill Gates is autistic yes nagamba they become so good in something but of course gabwa agambye different levels so nagamba don't waste your time in schools but don't let him down temumuleka waka wonna we mugende naye bonna babamanyi mubabuulire mwana gwe tulina bwemba mugenze kupate mugende naye ayige empisa how do they behave on a table on a dinner table because if you leave him behind ajja kuja grabbing your glass kati olaba she was interacting with you but at a normal an acceptable way naye kati womuleke waka atandika okukola ebintu ate ebitali bituufu bagamba whenever you're going out go with him alabe naye that's how they see it, that's how they use the napkin that's how they communicate basirika basaba bakola bwe bati so that I'll be acceptable in society socially personal skills ze umuleke naye yenaza kole like any other normal
banga embuno agala ne mu kinaabiro to the washroom ne yetwala n'anaaba mu ngalo
ate he's so clean era okumala okubuuza kali nokuna before even the SOPs came for him he was already
and they told me but touching him like when he touches certain things like paint
yes
as she's explaining to the mother
and paint nayali one.
So today we have Humphrey, do what you know how to do, how to mix color. You remember every brush you use.
So what were you telling your mom?
Mommy, that's where when things are
I know when I know what's going on. But why not? Come, you help us and wash the stuff. We have all our palettes here. Yes. Okay, so you'll tell me to start, then I'll say. Mungamba when to start.
Don't worry.
Okay. Kali, amazing grace. Hey, Humphrey, we are gonna, are you happy? We are gonna paint?
Happy.
Okay, how are we going to do it today? Are we going to use splash or what? Humphrey, splash? Show me, touch here and show me how you're gonna paint. Splash? Use your fingers. You're gonna you do this? So can you scoop paint with teacher Brian? Yes, you scoop and you do your thing. Remember? Yes. You see, Humphrey, you're doing it. You're doing it. You're expressing how you're feeling right now. How do you feel? Happy? Say happy. So you're doing it. Which color are you using? Red? Which color? Okay, hold your paint. Hold your palette. Scoop. You're painting a very beautiful painting and you're happy? You're painting nice or happy?
Vai deno dodo deno tetwagala otabule Humphrey
abawala mumuleka omwana
dodo jangu emirire wano jangu emirire wano
ana tutawanyiza kati
era ne wakulingiza
mututabudde Humphrey, you're painting happiness and joy and joy. Yes. Okay.
He's waiting.
The
Okay, right now,
and let us-
Humphrey paints according to the way he feels. Sometimes he's not as happy as today. Yeah, and this is when we know maybe he has a cold, a flu, or he's tired. He can even show you that I'm tired. Now that he's happy, yes, he's happy. Remember, what we are painting on is a canvas which he stretched himself. After stretching it, yes, he puts undercoat. After putting undercoat, it dried. After drying, now he's expressing himself the way he wants it. His freestyle. He's applying the color the way he feels it. Then he tells his story like that.
Hey.
Yes, and then it all begins from scooping the paint.
So don't look at the paint, maybe Humphrey.
Actually,
yes. Okay.
Actually, Humphrey uses 5 colors.
Alright.
He uses white, black, blue, red, and yellow. So now when he wants his green, he knows that he will mix the blue and yellow. We help him and he scoops enough, not everything. So color makes him calm and happy and cool. But when he's tired, you'll see it in the way he's expressing himself here. So we say, this is enough for today. Yeah, and how
Communicates when he's tired.
yeah.
When he's painting.
Yeah, because I'm visually impaired, I'll know his expressions, and sometimes he makes a certain sound. Then I ask our guide, what is going on? He wants to ease? No. He wants to rest a bit? Yes. So that's how, maybe it's a lunch break or it's a break for like a tea break. So this is how we do it. So he can make an expression maybe with his feet, maybe with his like expression. So someone who sees him will say, now I'm free. This is it. Yes.
So
This is how he has managed to collect 80 pieces in 4 years.
Like for him to come this side where he wants to.
Shabran, are you sure you're splashing?
He's okay.
He's okay whether he's. All right. Okay.
Okay, Humphrey, do your thing. Don't worry. Everyone is here for you. Okay? And after, you're going to buy us Rolex. Our favorite.
He loves Rolex.
Yeah, right. Yes, our favorite. and grandnuts. Half cake.
And
That
half
is
cake,
Teacher Brian. What I say. Humphrey.
So tell me,
Oh,
Richard, so how did you
discover that he can paint? When the first day when the parents came in here and they said he was autistic, that word was so big for the parents. The word autistic is so big that people can think we are disabled, yet instead we are differently abled. The first time Humphrey came, he didn't sit in the gallery. He didn't sit. He went to the different pile of paintings and started saying the word nice, nice. Then I sensed, because I don't see, I have the intuition, the instinct as a blind artist. I'm like, this guy is saying nice and he's pointing somewhere. I made sure where is he pointing? So when he pointed on the paintings, I said, he has the talent, which has to be scratched. So the first time we brought color, oh my God,
He was
so excited. Then after sketching, we introduced the acrylics paints, you see. What Humphrey has not done is the using of oil, because oil includes like paraffin, and it's like a bit, he don't want you to touch like dirty stuff. So we can't use oil painting. We only use acrylics where he can go himself. You will see after here, he knows where the tap is. Then he'll go and do what she's done. And that's why I said we are not disabled, we are differently what? Elbowed. So another media, when we started introduce the media of printing on t-shirts and on clothes, Humphrey was using all the vigor with his enthusiasm, with great delight. He was best, like printing everywhere. You will see some of his prints around. Yeah, so it's like, then now I knew that he's a perfectionist. One day we introduced jewelry. With the very smallest bead, Humphrey could get colors. You could mix color like Ugandan flag, black, yellow, red. Humphrey could put black first. He could scratch and put black in a very thin thread. When it pours or you knock him, it pours. He's annoyed. And because I don't see him, sometimes I knock him. Then he expresses, so I say, I'm sorry. So he starts again, slowly but sure.
So does he know that you're blind?
Yes, he does.
does. So he understood.
He understood that I'm blind because sometimes we are here alone and we've come early and he's come and our interpreter is not yet here
Yes.
or no teacher is around. And then someone calls me. Then I tell him, Humphrey, where I get my smartphone, I say, where is green? We are supposed to push it somewhere. So he shakes his hand and helps me somehow. So I get it and I say something. So he helps me somehow as we help each other. He doesn't talk, but he understands everything. Yes, and when you tell him now let's relax and dance a bit, sometimes we do the dance.
Like you put music or just there's a particular song.
You know, even music, especially gospel, you're gonna see when he's dancing. Yeah, when the parents brought Humphrey here, he was already good in performing arts. He could dance, he could do the drums. Now, what he knew the drums, sometimes we make him paint that. We make him paint musicals. You'll see. We let the painting dry. Let the painting dry. Wash your brush.
No, my dear.
Wash your brush.
Look at him.
Humphrey, wash your brush. Wash. Is he washing his brushes?
No, he's picking a brush. He's picking one brush.
But wash, Tisha Brian. Today we are doing splash with these colors.
Okay.
The painting we are doing right now, we have one which is finished.
Yes, I'm seeing it behind here.
Yeah, sometimes we sketch for him something which is like real, and then he will not pass borders around.
Okay. So
like
now he's going to do what?
If we are living,
He's going to splash.
Yes. He was doing his background. He was doing his background.
Oh, he's going to splash.
That was a background he was doing. So we are leaving it to dry a bit.
Yeah.
And then he does the splash work. Humphrey's works are so original that no one can repeat them. It's his style. You can't repeat them. They're original. He can't repeat. That's why every art piece he produces is so special.
So you mean they communicate?
With his artwork?
Yes.
Yeah.
You told me they communicate.
With like happiness, joy. Like when we came in, everyone is seeing everyone coming in here. Sometimes when I don't know how the people with other instincts. Sometimes Humphrey can sense that this person here is not happy with me, and that will stop him from working. Yes. In fact, he will not do anything.
Let's wait.
If he sensed anyone here that don't impress, he wouldn't have done his background. Now, what he was doing was the background. He's gonna do some final when.
He may splash on you, eh?
Now, this is the real arts.
Okay, so we stand here.
Arts, yes. Do yourself. He's mixing color.
Going to splash.
You're gonna do your splash thing. One of the paintings. This is his masterpiece. Show the world what you're made of. Come on now.
Oh, when is the art exhibition for Humphrey?
Humphrey's exhibition is going to be on 2nd October next week on Thursday, and on 3rd of October next Friday at Makere Art Gallery.
Okay. That's
okay. Although I'm curating this artwork, Humphrey does most of the work on his thing. Yes, and then we thank God for our interpreters, the guys and supervisors in this place. And Humphrey, have you already mixed your colors?
Yes, he's mixed.
So this is a mega painting which we cannot repeat. It's one of the kind.
Yeah.
Every piece he produces is a story.
There is always a story.
A story behind happiness, joy, calm. Sometimes he really comes in here when he's like, just
wow,
he's doing his thing.
I'm saying, sweetie, I'm here.
Humphrey, show them what you're made of. Come on now. Show them, yes. Isn't God awesome?
Oh,
you see how it's amazing because I want this. Come on now.
Okay.
Now, because because at home, Humphrey is well cared for. Like in the morning comes when he's full stomach, the breakfast.
Yes.
When he comes in here, he's ready to do his thing. When if he's not done the breakfast, he does it, and then he's ready to. Humphrey can produce 3 artworks like this a day.
Oh, wow. 3
Yes,
artworks.
3 artworks a day. Unless it's big. When it's big, he can do it for like 4 days. And it depends on the size. Then after we take it for framing, and now that is why he can sign. Yeah. So the story here, we are not giving up on him, and he's not giving up on us. That is why he is now a visual artist, you know.
Why are they splashing?
Because Humphrey's fingers, being autistic, he will not take long blending those colors. But when he splashes them, after that he can change the canvas and they make some effect which will come out as a beautiful painting, original and not to repeat. That's why
What do you mean that because of his fingers, autistic fingers? What do you mean?
When you're autistic, some autistic children, they shake. They're not like, the nerves are sensitive. He's not going to be there toning all the time. He will get tired. Okay.
Yes.
The fingers are still, the nerves.
Yes.
As tingling, like sometimes he gets tired of it, as if you're shaking. So his art is doing the abstract type. Yes.
Abstract. Yeah. Like,
What do you mean by
by the way,
abstract?
he's trying to recreate this. We are trying to recreate this because he did this himself. This was splashing as well.
Oh.
The finished artwork.
Abstract art is the art that has more story than what you see.
Okay.
So why right now you see splashed colors all together, but there is a story behind it. And then
Yes.
detailed one is when you see a bird was well drawn and a tree.
The realism.
Humphrey's fingers shake.
Yes.
But he can still create art.
That's what he's doing.
Because he can't put the detail in the art piece, we won't take away his love and ability
Yes.
to do art.
Yes.
So we go in for abstract art.
I love this. I love this now. What if it was a shirt, like a t-shirt?
That's what he does when he uses his paste on
He does
t-shirts.
paste and tie-dye.
Yes.
So you should come by and see him.
And sometimes he did like something on the pillows. A client here wanted some pillows, and Humphrey painted on the pillows. That's flash, yes. Beautiful pillows. So you bring your pillow, we get a pillowcase. He works on it, you put it in.
I need a t-shirt.
Possibility in the art.
Yes.
So a possibility. No, this is the side. Abstract art we go. Yeah.
Oh.
So now, with this exhibition which is coming up, Humphrey is ready to stand on his own. We hope to get him a place where he can sell his work, where he can do like a workshop and a gallery, where he can show the world, hey, I didn't give up on myself. I'm not this autistic disabled person, you know. I can fly on my own. That's why we are doing his solo first exhibition to show the world, come on now. He wants to do his place.
Okay.
Support him.
You know what? I'm glad. I'm glad the parents didn't give up on him, because you know there are many.
Yeah, and then even some teachers could just say, we can't manage him.
Exactly.
Because I had a teacher here who said, Mommy, we won't like
manage.
I said, you don't understand.
You don't know what.
If I learn to paint with tactile method again, what about him who can say?
Right.
So you see, he's not even shaking.
No, he's not.
But when he had
how
just
did you
come,
train him?
we
Not to
used
shake.
beadwork. We gave him small beads and practice of his fingers. He could show that he's tired. We rest a little bit. We come out, we see the nature, we refresh, we smile away. He loves cars. He looks at cars.
Yes.
Our cars are around. So when he looks at the car,
And then when
after like 10 minutes, he comes back and does his thing.
I think I'm
So let it dry.
I'm Humphrey's car.
yes.
You can see the eye contact we have here.
Are you sure? Which color is your dress?
Black.
Uh-huh.
white down and have some bling bling and white, but he's been staring at me all through, and then we have this look.
He recognizes beauty when he sees it.
Eh? Oh, wow.
Like people keep coming here, but with me there's something different. So I was like,
No, but let me do you know another thing? Humphrey will know that maybe this is an MP who has come, this is a reverend father who has come. Then he shows his respect. He's so disciplined, yes. He's so disciplined that he can recognize those big people and he humbles himself. Yes.
So now how do you know that he's hungry or
Yeah, like we time him every 30 minutes. We have to get some water for him. We get him some juice.
What is
they
it?
They pack for him. He's showing you something.
showing me something. Yes,
Humphrey, what is it?
I'm here.
I don't know who speaking to you.
Munanga is talking to you. Don't know what we have. We have a connection here.
Can you paint
oh, you
his
also
eyes?
go splash
Paint-
Dodo?
Paint his eyes.
And also
there.
Dodo splash. Yes. Dodo, you splash.
You too.
Which way?
Shabran, is it drying?
Eh.
Can we be doing some cajulary for them?
Okay, but I think the parents can
parents can
also
come.
splash with him.
Mami
No.
tajja splashing naye but
ngamba tagenda kukkiriza. Oh, okay. Dodo ngamba ono splashing.
Daddy, I don't know, you can do something.
Won't I just?
No, it's okay. Humphrey,
Anyway, they told me that he doesn't allow people to touch him, but me.
don't touch him. Yeah, Lord.
You know the connection we have.
He doesn't touch.
So
Can you paint with him, son?
check why is he's not happy. He's not.
There.
There is an expression he's doing.
Teacher Brian, nagamba to Humphrey.
He's an.
What's
Babita bitegera. Kati mba nkola ntya wano. Which one are we splashing a bit?
Teweyila paint, sweetheart.
No, it's okay. Ngenda kolako katono wano.
Because I'm wepe.
Humphrey akwatire paint.
Oh, sorry. Their camera.
Nkola ki?
Let me tell you, Humphrey, what they are doing, they are saying how great you, how you have only talented. Oliza Brian.
Then I do, and then I splash.
Agezezako bambi. Okay.
Necho tulina
They're just
musana.
splashing. Don't. Yes.
Kajuice kakoze magic. Kako kunywa
Hey. Okay.
Akoze chao.
Then we just splash. Anyhow, there's no order.
As long as your colors are screaming happiness.
Yeah, we have
Are they screaming happiness?
orange.
That's happiness. It's okay. I think Humphrey is ready to rest after there, please.
They are looking at me, my dear. Okay, don't worry.
Now what you're doing is called abstract art.
Abstract, you
Just like Peter Picasso did it, the legendary.
Yes.
I don't know what is happening.
We don't call it anyhow, we call it freestyle.
Hey, mommy.
So you have a duo painting. Oh, you're not laughing. What are you saying? How is excited?
You know what it's
Have you got this?
amwagadde.
Okay.
Yeah, you follow what you're doing. Kati Humphrey's masterpiece eyo gye muli mukola right now. It goes for 200,000. So he buys materials again, yeah.
200,000.
Because now there he's able to buy more material for, you
So
know.
let me ask, on that day on the exhibition, doesn't he get irritated when people are many?
No, he gets excited, especially when there are nice girls. And not
Don't tell me Dodo is nice. Dodo is not beautiful. Our parts is not beautiful. I don't think so. Can you say since the mom is out, then we can also interview the mom? Yes. Okay.
Because Bina, where are we? You
Tuli
gonna
wano
tell us,
ku Magezi Arts Exhibition Center.
Center.
Then tulina Humphrey Seremba. Yes. Ayina exhibition. Neranga art pieces zize mabega.
Exhibition is Saturday.
Thursday.
and
Second,
Second and
third.
2nd and 3rd October.
Yes.
Okay.
And all these art pieces zo ziraba ziri zonna zonna, then waliwo eno gye mubadde muzannya nayo Dodo
Eno gye tubadde tuzannya nayo.
eno naye kati ate yakola
gye
endala
tukola.
ennungi eri mabega
Bagambye munne ziri shirts za
anedda ezze ziri munda.
ziri munda.
Yes.
I love to see them. Then
Nga-
kati Humphrey bagambye mbu ali special child, yeah?
Yes. Neera nga bano be bazadde be the Serembas nabasisinkana, they are my in-laws by the way. Nabasisinkana naye
Goba.
nga neewombeeka nti munne ndaba ogenda kwonoona omwana waffe n'engoye zo
Bulijjo beekweka.
nga gyeyina edda mbadde nabalaba, like we go for parties naki nendaba nga omwana waabwe ate unlike the other nga ye agenda ku ssomero asobola okulya asobola you know, like they can communicate naye bulungi ate nga he's a happy soul. Kiraba kati neneebuuza nagenza okulya nti ate alina art exhibition neŋŋamba bannange kati njagala nabo so that they can get to talk to other parents abali eyo olwako abaana basinga bambi babakweka tebabawa an opportunity okubeera nga they also get to
To show their
talent. Yes. Kati the good things that they are willing twali tusaba batubuuzeeko
Yes.
the Serembas
Serembas.
ye nkwano.
tubabuuzizaako
Yes.
mwebale nnyo okujja
ye nkwano.
oku capturing moments za Humphrey
Yeah.
that abantu abalala nabo
Mm.
basobole okulaba nti kisoboka.
Yes.
Yeah.
Aha.
tusanyuse nnyo okubalaba nnyabo mpozi muviiriddewa
Ffe. Nze nva ku Radio 4 ono ava ku KFM.
KFM, Spark
Yes.
TV.
Yes.
Then tuna ne YouTube channel tujukana ne Bina baby.
Yes.
Era kwe mugenda okubeera Love Live, so you know, social media tubeera eyo.
bana Radio 4 n'aba KFM
Yes.
ne radio endala ze mwogera tusanyuse okujja okwogerako naffe.
Yes.
Bannange.
Omwana Foyo Humphrey twamuzaala nga alina autism, this spectrum disorder.
Spectrum disorder.
Kita spectrum kubanga nti esobola okuvaayo mu ngeri ez'enjawulo. Balina engeri gye boogeramu n'abantu,
Yes.
balina engeri abalala batawulira, abalala basoma ebigambo nga Mukama yamukolanga ebigambo bwe yabisoma bibeera inverted.
Yes.
Ennyukuta kibayita dyslexia. Have you heard about that?
No, sinawa. Yes.
Zibeera into platform. Naye kati ono Humphrey ye alina problem ya communicating. Ate awulira bulungi. Awulira bulungi nnyo n'okusinga abantu ba bulijjo. Ekyo kirungi. Kubanga basooka ne balowooza nti ngeri kyatayogera ne bashuumira
Yes.
nti tawulira.
Yes.
Twamutambuzako mu malwaliro wano n'ensi ez'endala ez'ebweru ne tusanga nga awulira bulungi nnyo. Awulira bulungi naye kakati awulira kituyogera. That's why atandise okuresponda kubanga awulira nti
erinnya lye
tumuliko.
Kati njagala omumanya wategeera otya nti no like a Humphrey special need, like ali different katugambe kubanga basinga balwawo kitegeera abazadde
Yasooka n'adivopinga ng'omwana omulala yenna.
engali very normal.
Nga muye okuva ku myezi
omugezi mwaka ogusooka
Yes.
mwana nali muyimbiramu ne bu traditional folk songs obafubedda sisi twagenda mu
Kibula sisi.
Ebyo.
mumuunya
Bambi.
ate atula bigambo
Eh.
ate bwe yatuuka ku mwaka ebiri
Yes.
kubanga nali twali tumaze omuzzaako omuganda we yali
Yes.
Yeah.
n'abaasirika ne tulowooza buno obwosi bw'abaganda
Bino bye bagamba wamuzzaako
mangu oba ye yakola kiyeekanga omwana muguza ku bebi kakati tetusalawo omutwala mu ssomero lyali awo mu Kampala wakati
Kampala Happy Girl.
Kampala tumusala ku ssomero nga tuliokuba yali firstborn ng'abeerawo awaka
Yes.
n'omukyala yali atuyambako ku mirimu ng'ate mukulu nga tebalina ndowooza basobolaala hapitos ayige naye waliwo mukyala bani yali akoesomero omukyala Beyingana nakinotusinga nti omwana ono eba bayimba naddala Baby Jesus yali atunnyonnyola Imamas along n'ebigambo oba mu Luganda nkyogere ntya program ya Luganda
No Luzungu. You can mix.
He was following the rhythm, but actually he was not singing.
kati obeera eri ng'oli teacher simanyi abaticha b'ennaku zino aba nursery school
whether they pay attention
to details.
kati obanga oli omukyala ali mukulu
she paid attention
to detail gundi that education enungi eyakwana as child development
Yes.
yali awulya najja n'atugamba n'omwana ono omulaba bwe mbeera eno mugamba yimbisa like nti gundi Baby Jesus
Yes.
n'omumwa gwe gugenderako
Naye ng'ekigambo
naye bwagenda
tekivaayo.
okulya muli agamba nenzijukira nti bwe nali mu nasale nze omu ku myaka gyange ku bantu abagenda mu nasale apart bayire abantu basinga bonna basinga nemala emyaka ebiri so kakati ticha waffe atinaalongo yali abeera nga atuyimbisa nga bw'atuwuliriza he was trying to get noise gundi eva mu buli mwana
He would bend over.
simanyi nga ndowooza lwokuba ayagala nenzijukira nti she used to bend over ng'akuba twazimbanga ez'oluzungu kati bwe twamanyaawo kati ne tumanya nti n'atubuulira n'atutuuza mu ofiisi yatuyita atugamba omwana ono ebigambo bye tebyatuka balowooza nti oba kanyata wa specialist n'akebera akanyata okamanyi
kabeere nakatukiriza okwogera
abalala tugamba waliwo omukyala abeereye embaala asobola okukasa naye nga tusirabayo kati olulimi terwekutte
nga terwekutte
kirabika n'obulayi kati terwekutte kazase bwe twamanya gasawe twamanya nti waliwo ekitali wakati w'emyaka 23 bwe twamanyira wakati ya myaka 2 twali tukyali mu dinayo mu Luganda bakyogera twa dinayo nga tukyali nti tetusobola kuba ffe okusanga omwana aliko omwana atatuukiridde kubanga ffe twali tulowooza tuli perfect ate nga sinayo na muntu gwendeletingako mu family nti alina that so kati olusekwa n'obeera awo noba nga tokikkiriza
olwo basinga babakweka abaana lwaki temwamukweka
Anthroyo special child yetuli ye first born waffe twamuzaala tukyali bavubuka nnyo nga tuli mbuumulo nga twakava ku university kakati twali proud of him ate Mukama yali atukutteko nga tumulabirira bulungi
wamulabirira
bulungi nnyo singa olaba ebifaananyi ebyali lukimu yali akirina ebiseera ebyo nali tewaliwo supermarket mu Uganda akola Kenya naye nga nnyingira supermarket nengula buli kimu kyetaaga nenzijja ku weekend nga nkoze eki so yali twalina okumwagala gwe Mukama gwe yali atuwadde.
So let me ask, when what I get 2-3 years into this is a special child. mwakola mutya like okusoma sibitege kuba abasinga kyemanyi okay batandise okuleeta amasomero agamu waliwo amasomero agayamba abaana bali autistic like him gali amatono but a bit expensive so simanyi by then kyemanyi tewalingayo masomero bwe gatyo kati mwakola mutya like okumakinga sure nti no ablendingayo n'abaana n'abaana timanyi buli mwana ali special simanyi
abasomesa bano bali gunti bamugaana bamutwala mu masomero agawerako nga 3-4 nga tebamugaana nga bagamba ekisinga obukulu abeere mu ssomero era Humphrey yalinga ng'asoma ng'agenda n'abaana abamutwala mu gundi musambi yasoma mu international school paka n'asoma n'aba P7 nsomako mu international school yabeerako Victoria asooka ku Victoria yafeesomerako Montessori naye waliwo yali asookedde kamba ninaggulwawo nga tumulenza okutegeera nti yeetaaga special needs
kakati anti bwe twagenda tulaba kakati bwetwagezaako the regular schools nga tulaba tugendayo naye we are not benefiting a lot apart from interaction skills ezo kudduka biki but nga tulaba like his nga tetulaba like he will not sit the examinations kati netugendako emulago netulaba some child psychiatrists psychologists natubulira she's the one who told us the truth natugamba autism ekyetagisa is to look for a skill abantu bano babeera ne skill ate skill ezo zibatuusiza wala natuwa example Bill Gates is autistic yes nagamba they become so good in something but of course gabwe agambye different levels so nagamba don't waste your time in schools but don't let him down temumuleka waka wonna we mugende naye bonna babamanyi mubabuulire mwana gwe tulina bwe mba mugenze kupate mugende naye ayige empisa how do they behave on a table on a dinner table because if you leave him behind ajja kujja grabbing your glass kati olaba she was interacting with you but at a normal an acceptable way naye kati bwomuleka ewaka atandika okukola ebintu ate ebitali bituufu bagamba whenever you're going out go with him alabe naye that's how they sit that's how they use the napkin that's how they communicate basirika basaba bakola bwe bati so that I'll be acceptable in society socially personal skills is umuleke naye yenaza kole like any other normal
banga embuna agala ne mu kinaabiro to the washroom ne yeetwala n'anaaba mu ngalo
ate he's so clean era okumala okubuuza kali nokuna before even the SOPs came for him he was already
and they told me but touching him like when he touches certain things like paint
but look for a skill try you will not get it at once mberenga mugezaako wano ne wali mujja kudevelopinga skill ya ham namufula independent namufula muntu nga temuliiwo ng'asobola okukola ki okwebeezaawo ate naffe kye twali tunoonya
olwo kati communicating mukola mutya
nateesa kwongerako ku omukyalo oyo ali dokita nga akava e UK yatuyamba nnyo n'erinnya nalyerabira kuba nagezako mukubira nagezako mukubira oluvannyuma n'atakwata ndooza bali dokita ali akava UK ng'asomye psychiatry doctor naye yasoma ne psychiatry ebintu ebyo psychiatry kati naye yatutuuza n'atugamba yamusooka n'ambuuza pulaani eyo bw'omaze okutegeera omwana ono gw'omaze nga mugamba omwana tayogera namba ayinza obutayogera naye pulaani gy'olina n'aŋŋamba nti nemuganja kugendako e UK eyo
ngezeeko
aŋŋamba osobola ogenda kukozesa ssente nga mmeka ne mubulya ssente aŋŋamba ssente ezo zikolemu ekintu era kampuni yaffe Henha Services mweva kubanga naye director gw'olaba oyo Henna services. Director.
Yes.
Henna Services Uganda Limited.
Yes. Mpozi atagimanyi Henna Services ekola ki?
Tulina tenti, entebe z'omulembe.
Yes, a table.
Tulina
Yes,
emmeeza,
events.
tulina mobile toilets. Tukola emikolo gyonna. Bw'oba olina divorce party, eyo new product. Nayo tugikola.
Eyo tugisazaamu.
Tugisazaamu mu linnya lya Mukama. Naye tukola nnyo embaga.
Embaga, yes.
N'ebisene emikolo corporate egy'okuziika byonna tubikola. Ebyo byonna tubikola.
So Director Humphrey.
Kati Humphrey director bwe yaŋŋamba ssente ezo ne nzikuŋŋaanya.
Yes.
Ngamba kati yatugamba actually navaayo ng'osooka navaayo nga mpeddemu amaanyi. Bwe navaayo naye yannyamba nnyo okuhiiringa. Yatugamba omwana mwoyo kubanga nagamba mbadde UK nga nkola mu gundi eyo. Abasinga endowooza UK yesinga okubeera ng'eri developed mu research mu ki simanyi bisinga naye yali yatunyumiza. So nagamba accept it. Mulabe engeri gye musobola okuyamba omwana ono okukola ki okukulaakulana. Mpozzi obadde olina kyombuuzizza.
Kati naye njagala kumanya the communication because kati nze nali mbalaba like atuula ngaffe n'alya emmere naye nga te waba ayagala chai waba ayagala anything muyina engeri gye mucommunicatinga naye ne mutegeera nti kati wano oba ali ate tomulaba nga ate ye makula oba kuba bintu ate bw'oyogera ekintu nga awuliriza another child yanaddemu n'emputtu. So how did you mwafuna mutya that language era mwabisoma nammwe nga bwe tulaba sign language ne mugenda mugamba nti owaaye katugende naffe tusome ebya sign language oba
kale Humphrey ono bantu badde batunenya nti waki tetwamuyiriza sign language. Twali tusuubira nti time ejja kutuuka ayogere kubanga oyinza okuvaawo n'avaamu ekigambo kimu kati ne bagamba tunamusomesa sign language tujja mulemaza era abantu abasinga batunenya awo kyetwasoma sign language
okwogera abeera awulira for him he could hear.
Kati ne tudevelopinga language twogera naye mu nnimi. Humphrey amanyi Oluganda amanyi Oluzungu amanyi n'Olutoolo. Sometimes engeri gye nabeerako e Kenya oluusi muwa instructions mu Luswahili nimugamba nti batoka n'amanya kati twali tumanyi nti ajja kukola kubanga ate bw'obanga omwana ogenda muyigiriza sign language kitegeeza n'ab'ewaka baabeera nabo
babeera balina sign language. Yes.
Ne katono bw'obuuza nti Rito w'amagezi arts acommunicatinga naye nanga ddeeta ekikopo Humphrey mutume ekimuzo ky'emmotoka specific n'aleeta ekyo.
Gamba n'essimu atugambye kati oli yetalaba otono essimu ye bwevuga ng'agimuleetera n'amugamba anyige n'anyiga.
Asobola okubulamu 40% ne 60% akola ki ujja ng'oleese new instruction ebyo nebiri routine genda olya emmere genda onaabe vaawo jangu ate n'ekirala asoma nnyo asojja n'akikukwatako naate ate n'ekirala badde bagamba abaana ba autism teba maintaininga facial bw'omutunulira bw'oti ajjawo sometimes akikola naye bw'oba olabye nga oba olina communication gy'okola awookinga nnyo emigwabyo ne face yo ne bw'oyogera ekigambo ng'onyiize kati alaba nti emotional amanya nti onyiize oba n'avaawo oba n'reactinga nga naye n'anyiiga kubanga naye na emotions so kati afa nnyo how kati olaba era akimanya atuwookinga manyi
tumwogerako naye tumwogera birungi
kati n'otandika okwogera ebibi awo olaba wanyiiga bafuna gundi abeera anyiiga
ate mbeera ndaba ku social media autism buli mwana imukwata differently but wala bali
Yeah, that's
worse
why it's a
even
That's why it's called a spectrum.
Exactly.
It manifests in
because there are
different
those
conditions.
exactly there are those out of the blue nga ndaba mama we ayaga kuba nabazadde be nga kumbe it's just an emotion
Yes,
you know nakwata
Like, that's
omutwe
the way he
nagukuba
can
ku mutwe
express
yenga alinga akaba tumutegeera so
nakuba ebisenge kati
yes,
naye ono
yes.
munaye yali calm.
Sometimes you can also get annoyed.
So when he gets annoyed, what does he do? Does he react?
You can react.
Okay.
You can become a little bit
Agitated?
annoyed, agitated.
N'omulaba.
Agitating agala ngwa yagala okulwana, like that emotion.
N'otegeera.
He also understands
Era
like
kati bwe
you
tukomawo
apologize.
waka nga bamunyiza emisana olaba ng'agezaako era bw'oba tomuwadde time asobola okugezaako okusindika naawe okulya tomutegeera kukwatako bw'ati n'olaba nti mwamukoze ekyo nno.
Ako ndabye ne kamera abadde atunulira Paxi ng'amurekodinga n'alyoka amukola bw'ati eriiso.
Ngagamba like what you're doing naye kati akitegeeze.
Oh, that is good. Kati olwo okukula like okumuleeta mu art ne musalawo ne mugaa katumuweerere awo ne tukola tutya ekya art kyajjamu kitya then also okubeera nga naye adolescent n'amala kati simanyi na myaka emeka gy'ayina
25.
ali 25
Yes.
talina girlfriend
Tulaba eye contact
yogamba naye abeera nnomo ngaffe.
emotions oba tobaza
Wamma is it true?
Ngenda kubule kakati bwe twalemwa in those schools ne tulaba nga ayagala nnyo kati
Akooye
amwebaza
ali amwebaza
kumwogera
wow.
kakati bwe twalaba eyo nga biganye when the lady told us to look for a skill in him
Yes.
interest yonna neddaawo bayagala ki oba ayagala ki nga tugezesa kati ne tugezesa music hamugolaba amanyi to play a piano drums bino ebya band ezigenda yali akuba kino ekidrum ekinene tumutute ku Donna Center Donna Autism Center so netulaba nga ayagala nnyo music but at the end of the day kati yali expressing in performance arts naye netulaba like after the course what next abagamba awo batumukolere bandi naye kati nga tulaba ani anaabamanager nga tulaba that is so involving so netugamba katugezeeko mu visual art naye I can't believe it the excitement okulaba nga this is Humphrey's work kati bwe yajja mu visual arts ate naafuna manyiwe teacher Rita naafuna very good teachers teacher Brian ne bamukwatako so kati awo natandika to communicate through art eri yali performance arts visual arts natandika to tell his stories like when he's happy he can express himself when he's sad he can express himself through visual arts era tubeebaza nnyo because this is his other family.
So now art pieces zo nziraba ziziri
over 100. Yes, that is going to exhibit. Yatandika nga n'emikono tekwata bulungi naye you can see kati olaba kana asobola okukola buno buna. You see? Yes.
Na kati ayagala kukola nga kano.
All this is his work.
Humphrey, wow. Nice.
Yalonda the colors, you know that color coordination.
Yes.
So he tells his stories. You even get to know the colors he loves through that. So he in visual arts sanze communication, sanze how he can express himself. So that's
Kati now what next for Kati wano art? What next?
What next after this exhibition? We want the world to know about him. First and foremost. Then after tumuzimbire gallery where people will find him, bagule work ye, naye abeere independent financially. Atandikwe like naye akolenga naffe bwe tukola bwe tukeera buli macha ne tukola.
So nga naye asobola kati naye okufuluma yekka nga kyogamba kati wanajja n'abeerawo nga temuliwo.
Ajja with a border. For us we don't bring him. Ajja n'owa border we n'asanga batisha be like he's very independent. He can find his way to the bathroom when we are free tumuleta. Naye nga amanyi ndowooza ne bw'ajja oluusi tusanga tikya tannajja n'aggulawo n'ayingira nayetegeka. There's a time when I'm dropping, the teacher had gone, I think, to the canteen. Ne wajja abazungu babiri. Kati nenda abazungu bano ningamba what is going to happen. Nensoka n'ayimirira ndabe.
Yes.
Nga n'aba smiling like ngaba welcoming, ngaba laga. But I think teacher came so fast, but like he ushered them in and attended to them.
I'm told even he painted one of the pillows. Is it called painting or what? A child die,
yeah. So bantu bano bakoze omulimu gw'amaanyi to Humphrey to be independent. That's what we were looking for him to be financially independent. Naye abeere ne address ye, like
yes.
Now the world is going to know about him, but to know his address, his content.
Adere kirungi kyabeera nti n'abalala nabo bagenda kuleeta abaana era Humphrey alabika agenda asomesa
era njagala
asomesa abalala
abazadde abalina abaana special sagala kubayita babulemu, they are special children bamanye they are also special parents. So this has been like, it can be a research topic, you can write even a book about it. They go through that journey, balaba abaana baabwe balabe kiki kye basinga okwagala, baba developing baleme basuulirira babaggyemu abaana baabwe. It's not easy, but it's doable. Baleme ate baba exposing, because there is no way he can be this confident nga tali exposed. Bagende nabo kupate nga babayise baleme baleka waka, baleme abagenyi baze baleka mu bedrooms, abaana baboogereko, babeere proud of them. That's the only way you can help him.
Engeri gyali omuyonjo.
I introduce myself. My name is Harriet. I have an autistic son.
Rati.
Muyonjo nnyo.
Yayiga atyo.
Of course kati naye afunye feelings. Kati asinga nnyo kwagala kutunulira abakyala. I'm surprised ayagala nnyo light skinned people and small small girls.
Naye mama agudde kono.
Afunyeko balayate.
Nedda unalabika alina byakoze. Alabika yeeteze.
Times we tugenda naye nasanga banyi waliwo abakyala bakulu naye nga they are small.
Yes.
Their husbands natandika okubakwatako, kati those people feel like, who is this spoiled child who's doing this? So you need to explain a lot and explain to make people understand. But parents should be motivated. It is doable. It is possible. It is possible. Mwana
waddeyo mu gym but I'm glad all this.
Yes,
agenda nokukola banaye tujja tuwagire
kuba mugaga kati yajja okututeekako yasitadde even like for this interview, it's because of him. So all that
kati olwo abagala okujja for the exhibition tugenda kubeerawa?
Exhibition egenda kubeera Makerere University.
Gwe marketeer. Brand. Major brand. Come and help.
Nyiza okwerabira.
Gwe wandikubya akalango no. Gwe marketeer. Naye Ayina omanyi ne social media naye eyambako. I don't know whether you've opened up like a TikTok or
The siblings are busy, but we need someone to manage.
So that we can put his works. Neranga bwasiga katinga wano. Mbadde mbuuza kucha event exhibition ye eya Humphrey Seremba. There is another name. Lugemwa.
Manya ga mutima ako. Exhibition ye egenda kubeerawo ku Lwokuna n'Olwokutaano, ennaku z'omwezi zijja kuba 2 ne 3 October. Tujja kuba tutandika ennaku 2 Olwokuna n'Olwokutaano ne 2 nga 3 October. October gwe 10. Tujja kuba ajja kuba exhibiting okuva ssaawa 4 ez'okunkya
Yes.
paka saa 12 ez'akawungeezi zibalwa
Okay.
gulo zakawungeezi so the time
so
No, second, nyoli lwaba students. We have invited schools. Agenda okujja wajja kubeerayo ne painting ndoza charity abagambe. So basically second for students. Yeah, even other people abatalina time on the third.
Yes.
But the third, that's when we shall have our, finally, we shall have our guest of honor, Mercy Kainowisho,
the executive director of URSB.
Yeah. That's when we shall auction these best.
But all this is good.
Yeah, all is good, but the
Best. So there is the best.
The cream.
Maybe the cream yours, but I'm saying all this is
good,
they're
yes.
all nice. They're all beautiful. Kati okuyingira.
Some people have bought tickets on
Those are market here bayogera.
Yeah, market here. Okuyingira aba student kubanga twagala nnyo okuleeta aba student okulaba abalitaliiko bulemu bonna okuba motivating abalamu abatalinaako obuzibu n'abali upright bonna tukubiza amasomero gonna agali eyo omwana oba abaana aba student paka ku university mutwalo then abantu abakulu adults mitwalo 3 okuyingira ticket musobola tutuukirira wano Magezi Arts where tuli naffe attend services tuzitunda era twakoze tugenda kubanga tutuma obulango already Capital Radio yatuwadde akalango
that is Bambego
ne BTFM ne channel 4 egenda tuwaayo ne KFM ndooza
fena tugenda power ne radio 4 tugenda
power bawuliza then tujja funayo tulina ne anti waffe anti agenda akola TikTok mukwano gwaffe decorator designer Susan Kirabo. She's an influencer already agenda by next week ajja kuba online ayita abantu bonna era tugenda kuddamu ku marketing online tuyita ebitongole ebya gavumenti nga byonna bajje batwegatteko abantu bonna mu public abantu bonna mu Uganda
I'm glad
ne East Africa n'ensi yonna twabayise kubanga tugenda ku mutimbaga tutegeeza global village bayite bajje babeerewo at Margaret Trowell School of Industrial and Fine Art e Makerere tuyita abantu bonna abava mu akademiya ba obi baffe essaawa ez'okutandikanga tujja kutandikanga ssaawa 4 tumale 12 ez'akawungeezi 4 ku makya 12 ez'akawungeezi
so kyolaba osobola okugula
kyolaba
ne bw'oba tosobodde kugula ku momo you can pay on entrance
nedda ngamba kyolaba ekifaananyi kyolaba bw'osobola okigula tugenda biteekako tag price tuli mu kuvalue tuleese ba independent valuers abamanyi art babiwe price tag kubanga ne teacher we
n'abazadde abali abalina abaana abali autistic nabo bandize because mugenda kubeerayo
n'abazadde balina abaana abalamu
n'abalina abaana abalamu
bw'ogamba autism is a neurodevelopment disorder ate neurodevelopment kitegeeza mulimu brain spinal cord and the nerves okimanyi nti nerves zo zisobola okulwala ng'okula nezifunako obulemi naawe n'ofuuka autism okitegeera so abantu bonna bayitiddwa kubanga development is from conception to adulthood and when you are elderly so bw'ofuna this is a neurodevelopment you can even develop neurodevelopment disorders so kati abantu bonna kibakwatako
n'abazadde abaliyo nga batya mulimu abazadde abamu nga beekwese nabo nandyagadde nabo baveeyo sati bajje obudde mubawe because abamu babeera bambi because babeera nammwe nekyo kisingako nemunyumyako nabo naye nga kiri kyoyogedde nalabako omwana nga yali mulamu naye ate bamusibira mu mmotoka kakana naye
that was environmental kati kozeza autism ezimu ziri environmental wadde bagamba nti ekirala kiri giva genetics n'ekirala environmental endala ziri prenatal nga tonna kufuna
somye nno
nti ni expert kati tubadde na twatulondya information actually njagala ngenda nirozo kanzi lensome medicine specializing in autism kubanga ninamma bwogende Bulaaya asoba nga olinayo science subject combination ninayo mathematics you can enroll you can go into medicine kyekyakiwaddaga okumbuuza ku marketing kyesikuzeemu bulungi
no byonna n'obinzizeemu byonna obinzizeemu ate
tabudde bwakyayi kati abadde njala emukola bubi time yalina ana routine kati afre kati ana routine akimanyi nti bwaddayo eka at time it will be lunch kati yavudde wano tyakoze routine lunch then sawa 10 kubanga ajja wano kuva ku sawa 3 mpaka 8 waddayo eka lunch saa 10 tea 10 tea then at 8 no ku 10 then ku 12 kunaaba so babeera abantu ba routine kati osobola mugamba gun sleep nga tasenyeza to be trouble it will be trouble kati alina okusenya before era bwakwebaka ajja kutuula paka so they have a routine ebintu ebimu babikola naye ne repetitive disorder sometimes it can do nambuuza nga bodda mbuuza yambuuziza dda kati ayagala abeera oba maybe is not well like
ndowooza nga alaba ekitaawa tuli kuki
So, we can also buy tickets online. Abagala, is it online?
It's online.
Not online. There's a Momo number.
Number is 70 94 94.
70 94 94.
Magezi at 6 p.m.
Cheriko ku ticket.
Magezi.
70. Abandi wamwe nalabika bulungi oba yafaanana ani kati?
Yafaanana nze. Jamu otola tomulaba.
Yabalana gwe.
Happy man is also very happy.
Very happy.
Mommy is a little bit reserved. She's shy.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
Grateful for your time.
Yes.
For taking this time to
all right, thank you too for sharing your story and for supporting Seremba. Yes, so we'll be there.
Okay, thank
Nafe tugenda kujja.
Yaganzire mbakole banda bakolde chimala.
Ogenda no bakola ne kulusooka.
Kusooka kai.
Batekana.
Tugenda kati about the adolescent situation. How do you communicate? Takubuza ebintu banaka bebide bubi.
Adolescent kati abadde kati abadde ebirevu byo badde babiteekako mangu. Banga brother we yali ayize style ene yokuteekako ebirevu naye ayagala obiteekako. Babeera gamba era bw'ava ku adolescent kakati he has developed
everything.
Ng'abaana abalala bakola Humphrey mulamu nnyo biologically mulamu nnyo. Nga bwe nagambye kati ntandise Humphrey anoonya kati ali musosa anoonya ate abaana aba autism their sexuality divorce faster kati abazadde bonna abali kimanye now to be careful n'abantu abe bobeera abawaka abakozi bawaka abazadde abali eyo omwana bw'aba omuwala now still on air abaana abali omwana wo bw'aba omuwala n'okuteekawo obukuumi obw'enjawulo n'omulenzi kubanga bonna bali vulnerable. Boy child muno mufaako naye era tubeera sure tuwabeera awaka kati waliwo ne kamera olaba kyekigenda mu maaso kano monitor where waludde takubuli story the story what really happened.
So you just go back home rewinding.
Bazadde bakimanye nti bano abaana aba autism kati ne Humphrey yasingawo obuwanvu ewaka she's ya developing a fast basingawo obukulu develop fast system zonna nga bulaba bye nayitako mu adolescent ndaba bimubaddeko
and I'm glad that the father is supportive like okubeerawo ali involved akubanga kati singa bibadde bya maama
babeerawo ebintu ebimu
bibeera bizibu
ng'okwerooterera nja ne mulaga ne mugamba it's okay happens
nategeera
Oluganda olutegedde
yes ntegedde
badde anti omanyife Abaganda twogera tusaaniikako tulinga mu Abakiga Abakiga mbaagala nasomera eyo mu West bagundi bange obbi bange ab'entale n'ab'Ekira college please mwe bakwano gwange nasomera b'e Makerere obbi bange entale Ekira college
bakolako nabo bajje
bayita obi a very good factor bayita
bane nanga abange mujje n'abaddodo nedda mukwano nedda twagala nze sinna kusima nze nkulinako nze nina oluganda ku bo I'm not happy nedda sisobola kukkiriza I can't
mwana mugambe ekyanguula empola ali mu maaso g'abakulu
okitegeera
mufunye akakeeka atuuleko
atule wansi kale bannaye thank you too
thank you very much for talking to us mwebale nnyo okwogerako naffe n'obudde bwammwe tubamanyi nti muli bize nnyo ne bakama bammwe ababakkiriza okujja ano mubateebalize nnyo
thank you
TFM ne Channel 4
Radio 4 yes
Radio 4 I like the name
thank you
Thank you.
Kale